the spacious living and dining area. You can see where you will get two parallel platforms. This will be your master bedroom space where you can place your king size.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project JK Iris by JK Developers located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and these behind me are the actual towers of the project. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 4.8 acres, having 10 towers, out of which 8 towers are already delivered, and the new launch tower has 1 basement plus ground plus 1 podium plus 38 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. As you can see, this is the actual location of the project. You can see all the delivered towers. And you can also see the tower with 38 floors. Talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool that has adult pool and kids pool and also jacuzzi. It also has a clubhouse, gym, jogging track, sitting area, walking area, kids play area, banquet hall, and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Vinay Nagar, Mira Road, from where upcoming metro station is only 5 to 7 minutes walk. Mira Road railway station is only 2.5 kilometers. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have school, colleges, and hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project.
So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of JK Irish. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 778 square feet. We are standing at the actual flat of the project, and this over here is the actual lobby. Let's start with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get the spacious living and dining area. You can see the living is spacious enough to place your sofas, center table, and you can also customize your TV unit. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade for beautiful view and safety. Over here, you can place your dining table of 4 to 6 people to enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, on the left, we have our first master bedroom. This is the space of a master bedroom where you can place your bed, side tables, and everything that you need in a bedroom. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom also. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom. The washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, this will be your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, other bedrooms, and common washroom. First, on the left, we have your kitchen space where you will get 2 parallel platforms, and you can design your lower and upper cabinets as per your choice. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. You will also get ventilation windows provided in the kitchen, and you can place your washing machine in this corner. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. Diagonally opposite to the kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right next to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can use as a study, guest bedroom, or you can also make this your kids' bedroom. You can place your beds and you can also customize your wardrobe in this corner. You will get half French windows with a glass facade in this bedroom also. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tools, we give you actual location tools, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the other master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you'll get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. This will be your master bedroom space where you can place your king size bed along with the side tables. You can also customize your wardrobe in this corner, and you will get half French windows with a glass facade that will give you a standing balcony look. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom. The washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project JK Iris. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project JK Iris by JK Developers located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.